Hi sir, my name's Nav. I'm one of the doctors here.
Morning.
Can I ask your name?
Courtney.
Hi Courtney, nice to meet you. Today I've been asked to examine your heart, so what that will involve is a look, listen and feel to your hands, face and chest to find out what's been going on. Is that okay?
Fair enough, yeah.
Okay, I'm just going to look at you from the end of the bed. Are you in any sort of pain or discomfort today?
No.
If I just start by having a look closer on. Can I see your hands? And then turn them over for me. Could you bring your fingers together just like that for me? And then just pop them out to the side. Just gonna have a look. You can pop that hand down. I'm just going to squeeze the end of one. Okay. And I'm just going to feel the pulse of both your wrists. Any pain in the shoulder?
No.
Do you mind if I raise it up?
That's fine, yeah.
Okay, that's good, thank you. Can I have a look in your eyes? And could you pull down on your eyelids and just look to the ceiling? Okay, very good. Could you open your mouth? Very good. Okay. Now you can close your mouth. Just look over to the left-hand side for me. And look at one of the veins in your neck. Any pain in your tummy?
No.
Okay, good. Thank you for that. Would you mind just raising your arms now? And you can pop that back down. And I'm just going to press on some of the parts of your chest. Okay. Let me know if you get any pain.
Okay.
I'm going to have a listen with my sister. You put one finger on your lip. Deep breath in, out, and hold it. And could you roll over to your left hand side for me? Deep breath in, out. And then roll back for me. Deep breath in, out, hold it. Deep breath in, out, hold it. Deep breath in, out. In, out, and again. Can you sit forwards for me? Deep breath in, out. Stay there. Deep breath in. Out. And again. Out. Okay. And do you mind if I have a look at your legs as well?
No, that's fine, yeah.
Fine. Right. That should conclude my examination. Thanks for your time.